Very good morning, my dear students. How are you? Dear students, I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today is Tuesday and this is your English class. Date is 6th July 2021. Today our topic is small letter K. Small letter K. Dear students, today we will write K. Small letter K. See students, this is capital K. This capital K is in between red line to black line. Slant line, then slant line. This letter is in between red line to black line, but small k is in between black line to black line. Okay, this is the difference in capital K and small k. Okay students, now dear parents, make notes according to K on the whole page like this: red line to black line, red line to black line according to K. This is K. Now dear students, take your pencil. Now we will start our K. Put pencil on the dot. Make straight line. Red line to red line. Red line to black line. Make straight line. Then slant line. Then again slant line. Black line to black line. This is K. Again see, make straight line, then slant line, then slant line. This is K. K. This is capital K and this is small k. Okay, this is K. We will write K in black line to black line. This is K. Phonic sound of K is K. K. K for kite. K for king. K for kitten. Cat's baby called kitten. K for kangaroo. K for key. K for kite. K for king. K for kite. K for kitten. K for kite. K for king. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for key. K for kite. K for king. Phonic sound of K is K. 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 This is capital K and this is small k. 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 Phonic sound of K is K. Now dear students, open your The Magic Carpet book. We will read page number 31. Page number 31, letter K. K. This is capital K and this is small k. 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 Phonic sound of K is K. K. Phonic sound of K is K. Yes, students, see. K for key. K for key. Key. Key is used to open the lock. See, students, this is key. Key. K for key. K for key. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. Kite flies in the sky. Kite flies in the sky. K for king. K for king. K for kettle. Kettle is used for tea and hot milk. Students, see, this is kite. K for kite. Kite flies in the sky. K for kite. Okay. K for king. K for kettle. K for kitten. Cat's baby called kitten. K for kitten. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Again, see, this is capital K and this is small k. K for kite. Phonic sound of K is K. K. K for key. K for kite. K for king. K for kettle. K for kitten. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Now students, say the letters of the alphabet and color them. You will speak these letters and color these boxes. Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. Z, X, C, V, B, N, M. These are boxes. Today you will color these boxes. Okay, students. Next letter is L. L. This is capital L and this is small l. 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 Phonic sound of L is L. L. L for lion. L for leg. This is leg. L for leg. L for lamb. L for lollipop. L for leaf. L for ladybird. Students, this is an insect. It has 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ladybird. And this is leaf. Trees has many leaves. Okay. This is leaf. L for leaf. Again see, this is capital L and this is small l. Phonic sound of L is L. 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 L for lion. L for lion. L for leg. L for lamb. L for lollipop. L for leaf. L for ladybird. Okay. Now draw lines to show what you can put in your lunch box. Students, can you take pencil in your lunch box? No. Sandwich? Yes. Banana? Yes. Idli? Yes. Apple? Yes. And chapati? Yes. Okay. Today you will read these pages and do only K. K in your book. This is capital K and this is small k. You will do only K in your book, page number 33. K for kennel. K for kennel. Kennel is house for dogs. As we live in our house, dog also lives in kennel. K for kennel. K for kennel. Okay, students. So read these pages and write K in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.